What's going on? Isaiah with Campo here. Just about to pass this thing on to its new owner. Got a 144 all-wheel drive Sprinter. Looking a little familiar in here. We got our Murphy bed, of course, moving forward. We got this nice long bit of counter space thanks to that Murphy bed. Deep sink. We'll show you that in here. First, I'm gonna look at this bed. So we're gonna unledge that side. Comes down, just lays right across. We got some of this nice vapor barrier from, you guys ever an Arctic Tern? Then this pops down, sets down into place, and you're good to go. We got some capsules from Vanspeed on the sides, allow you to sleep sideways. Saves you 18 inches up front. Nice thing too, because it's a bifold, we can actually leave the bedding on there. So makes getting in and out of camp that much easier. Back here, we got a little bit of storage here and here. We got our systems here and here. We got the EcoFlow power kit. We got the Rixson system, more EcoFlow here, and then also the water tank underneath. It's got 22 gallons of fresh water in here, ready to go. That's heated by that Rixson for an outdoor shower, or this interior sink, or if it's a little crazy outside, we can open this storage box here, and we can use the curtain clipped up to the ceiling, and this same box, and we can actually shower inside, so that's pretty sweet. Moving in, we've got our dinette here, lagoon table, nice two-seater bench. Underneath that two-seater bench, we have a spot for a toilet. This one has the Trillino. That is on a heavy-duty drawer slide. Speaking of heavy duties, we also have this slide here with a top on it. Step into bed because it's a little higher. Plenty of drawer storage. Isotherm Cruise 130 for all your refrigerator, freezer needs, and a whole lot of storage. Nice place to be. Really simple, really clean, really tight. Nothing you don't need. Pretty stoked.